Welcome back, guys. This is Eric, and today we're going to go over another tutorial on CircuitVerse. So, what is CircuitVerse? CircuitVerse is a public accessible platform that allows users to create, learn, and share digital circuits. CircuitVerse allows teachers to easily add students to groups and post assignments. For hobbyists alike, CircuitVerse also provides an opportunity to create, collaborate, and share a variety of circuits. Personally, I think CircuitVerse is a great platform that gives back to the community by enabling students to self-learn basic circuitry in a stress-free environment. So guys, without any further ado, let's log on and see how we can use CircuitVerse. So first you want to go to the CircuitVerse website, and then after you get to the website, make sure to sign in or create an account for CircuitVerse if you haven't already. So in this case, I've already made an account, so I'll just simply log in using my Google account. If you don't have an account, you can just make one. It won't take that long, but just go ahead and sign in. And should be good. And yeah, I'm in. So let's first create a simple circuit by going over to the simulator tab on the header. So this is like a console where you can select outputs and inputs. So first let's create an AND gate by getting two inputs, and let's make sure they're on by pressing 1. And out for our output, let's give it a LED, digital LED. And just for the clarity, let's label the inputs as A and B. And afterwards, you want to add a gate. In this case, it will be an AND gate, which is like a dome-like figure, I guess. So you want to put your AND gate in the middle, and then your LED on the left, and I'm sorry, your LED on the right, and your inputs on the left. So, and simply connect them to make the LED red, and that circuit should work. Afterwards, you want to save your project by going over to Project, Save Online, and enter a name for a project. For example, I'll say AND gate for this one, and it should be saved. And you just have to make a tag list, and for project access type, you want to do public to allow everybody to see, or private, only yourself can see, or limited access depending on how you want to structure your project. So under tag list, we're gonna write AND gate, sorry, and we're gonna type a simple description. So this is an AND gate circuit. Very simple, just like that, and update the project. And yeah, we just published the AND gate, and it was updated to the CircuitVerse cloud. So, and also you can embed the HTML5 code by clicking on embed and copy the code, and yeah. So next we want to go over some features for the teachers. So why don't we navigate to the teachers tab by clicking on teachers. And this is the specific instructions for teachers, but we're just gonna do a demonstration. So first you wanna go under username and click my groups. And let's just add a new group called group 2. Create a group, and you can add members by typing in their email IDs or students at this point and invite them to the group, like so. And yeah, and users have to accept it on Gmail. And you can edit groups by changing the group name or add members and post new assignments. For posting new assignments, you want to title the assignment, add a grading scale and a deadline, and some descriptions for students to follow. Very simple, once again, just some basics. You can do letter, percent for grading, but doesn't matter. It's all depending on the teacher, and you can set up a deadline. And this is an example assignment. So now you've just added an assignment and shows the date remaining until the assignment's due. And you can also destroy assignments by clicking on the destroy button. Since I don't have a lot of students or emails at this point, you can see examples of grading assignments. If you have a lot of students, you can just click on their username and preview their work and grade their work and grade their project based on his or her completion. Can also add group members by using the email. Since I don't have a lot, this is an example of how you do it. And yeah. Okay, guys, one last thing before I end this video is that you can actually view other people's project by clicking on example. So actually, when you save your circuit project online, it actually saves it to the CircuitVerse cloud. So other people, so if you like set it to public, other people have access to your files, like so. So these people all save their project online to CircuitVerse cloud. So other people can view the example. So let's go ahead and view this example. So right here we can see that person's circuit stuff, and if you want to modify this circuit based on your own need, you can simply click fork, and this will bring you to preview, and you can launch simulator. So this basically opens up the project on your workspace, and you can maybe bring some inputs to it and outputs to it and modify this project based on your own needs. And afterwards, you can just save it, and it should be good to go. Yeah, so that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you all for watching this video, and hope this video helped you on navigating through CircuitVerse as a beginner. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and see you next time.